Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe.
My name is E. Kia ora, my name is O. Kia ora, my name is U.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Ai! He kōkako! He kōkako!
Yes, it's Kōkā. Did you know one of the reasons birds can fly is because they are light? Māma, not heavy. Taumaha.
Ma! Light, not taumaha. Heavy.
Wehi nā, that's the one. Do you think that helps them to kanikani, dance as well? Is it time to dance now?
Ooh, ai!
Etsu tamariki mā. Are you ready to kanikani, dance, and waiata? Sing with us.
Me kanikani, me waiata, yay! Matike, maranga, tutai o moena e hoa ma. Matike, maranga, nenti matatata ki te kori kori tinana. Tuatahi, wirihia o ringa. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, nana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Tātaka peke peke paku paku e. Tahi ka o mati no te rawa e. Are whana whiua to ihuroa e. Paia! Watutaki e a koe. Matike, maranga. Ko te ao kei te kapu o tō ringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e hua ma? Matike, maranga!
What is that Kōkā has given to you?
Aua!
Tākaro Tribe. That's Pāpā Rākau calling you. I'm sure he will be able to tell you what Kōkā gave to you. Haere rā, off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku pakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aue. Tēnā koutou, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau!
Did you enjoy dancing with the kōkako?
Ai
Paia, I see you've brought something along with you. Do you know what it is?
Aua!
What shape is it?
Porotitaha, oval.
What color is it?
Ma, white.
It's what baby birds come from. Do you know what it is yet?
Ai!
That's right. It's a heki.
Heki!
Paia. Excellent. I think it's time for us to visit some friends.
He kakariki. That's my color. He tapawha kakariki.
Kia ora, tamariki mā. What are the tamariki up to today? They're feeding the hei chickens. It's time to collect the heki. The hei have laid the heki in the boxes. How many heki are there today?
Kahi, Rima, tonu, Kōkā, Rima, ono, whetū, waru, Rima.
Ka kite anō ia koutou.
Ka kite. Heki.
Did you know the word heki has the letter E in it?
E. Wahoo! It's me.
It sure is. Shall we learn how to write the letter E?
I.
E. Start with a line straight down in the middle. Then a line across the top and a line across the bottom. Kapai. Let's do it again. Straight down the middle, then across the top and across the bottom. E.
Yay!
Paia. Excellent. I hear Kōkā calling you. Time for you all to visit Kōkā. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
What did you learn about today?
Heki.
Heki. Let's learn to spell it.
Huh.
Do you think we need a H?
I. N.
Do you think we need a N?
Cow.
Do you think we need a W?
Cow. E.
Do you think we need an E?
I. R.
Look, a R. Do we need a R?
Cow. E.
Do you think we need an E?
Need an E? I. K.
Do we need a K?
I.
We know. That's all the letters we need. Let's all say the word together, and then you can try and spell it. Heki. Can you tell me the sound the word begins with?
Heki. Huh.
Kāpai. Heh. Now try sounding out the word heki.
Heki. Huh. E.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds.
He. Huh. E. Ki. Ke. E.
Did you manage to spell the word heki?
He. Ki. Heki. Yay!
Wee na! Well done. I knew you could do it.
It's porotitaha, oval-shaped. It's white, ma. Baby birds come from it. Heki. It's a heki.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe. Titiro. Here comes the moon, mahina. Kia ora, mahina, me ngā whetū. E moi, Tākaro Tribe. See you tomorrow. Hei a pōpō.
Good night.